I'm going to start with a little bit of WD-40 around this side of the bead. Help things slide on and off just a little bit easier. And then hopefully without too much trouble, should be able to get this tire pulled off of here. The other one already has a tube in it, this one does not. So we're going to fix that today. There we go. Go scoop this water out and then we'll be back. Got the tire all cleaned out from water. And we're just going to go around and make sure that there's no dirt stuck to the wheel. Get this out of here. To get this one bead started and back on is put some of this mounting compound on this wheel to help the tube slide on the wheel, which can be very helpful when you're trying to get the valve stem lined up with the wheel as you're trying to put it all together. So there we go, we got a little bit on there. Make sure our tire is going the correct direction. Just work this tire right back on there. So then from here we just simply get our tube shoved in there. Like such. Now we can finish stretching this around and getting this tube worked into place. Alright, we got our tube in. So we're going to go and put some mounting compound on here now. And we want to start on the other side of the valve. So we want to start right there. So I'm going to take one bar, be careful we don't pinch the tube. Hold that in here. And then we just start going around. So you can use a pair of pliers to hold that if you want. However, vice grips, we're just going to give it some air.